Hello and welcome to today's presentation. In today's presentation, we are looking at the good and the bad about inflammation. Remember, in the first part of this lecture, we had described how inflammation happens and what are the end results of the process of inflammation. So we are saying that the inflammatory reaction and repair process can also cause significant harm. In as much as we say inflammation is good, we are saying that it can result into significant harm. And you're saying that the components of inflammatory reaction that destroy, eliminate microbes and dead tissues are capable of also destroying normal tissues if the reaction is severe, prolonged, or inappropriate, and directed against self-antigen. In such a cases, we could be having autoimmune diseases, and we can give a number of autoimmune diseases that we know. So the cells and molecules of host defense normally circulate in the blood, and the goal of the inflammatory reaction is to bring them to the site of infection or tissue damage. So what are the importance or the advantages of this process of inflammation? Well, we are saying that the exudation of fluid, the movement of fluid from the intravascular to the interstitial, is important because it helps plasma proteins to get into the injury sites. And when this happens, we lead to formation of fibrin barrier, which is very important in healing. We're also saying that the process of inflammation ensures that the exudation of fluid into the tissues, which helps to dilute toxins and increases lymphatic drainage, thus increases the chances of healing. We're also saying that in a cellular response, especially on infiltration of neutrophils, it normally leads to the removal of pathogens and cellular debris, which is an advantage to the organism in which inflammation is taking place. Also, vasodilation normally helps to increase the delivery of the necessary proteins. And when this vasodilation occurs, it increases the tissue temperature, which eventually increases the metabolic rate and thus delivering more nutrients that the cells need for repair. Lastly, pain and loss of function help to enforce rest, immobilization, and they lower the risk of further tissue damage. So guys, these are the importance of inflammation, okay? In as much as it's a nuisance, you can see how important is it, okay? Until next time, it's goodbye from me. Bye-bye.